Practice reading sentences begins with my favorite. My favorite game to play with friends is tag, running, and laughing. My favorite movie is Frozen with Elsa and Anna's icy adventures. My favorite hobby is drawing, creating colorful masterpieces. My favorite dream is to explore outer space, discovering new planets and stars. My favorite superhero power would be flying like a graceful bird. My favorite color is blue, like the sky on a sunny day. My favorite animal is panda with its black and white fur. My favorite book is Where the Wild Things Are, full of magical adventures. My favorite food is pizza, especially when it's topped with gooey cheese. My favorite superhero is Spider-Man, swinging through the city with his web. My favorite game is hide and seek, where I can be a sneaky ninja. My favorite season is summer, with ice cream and beach days. My favorite toy is my teddy bear, who keeps me company at night. My favorite song is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, so sweet and calming. My favorite place is the playground, where I can slide and swing. My favorite fruit is strawberries, juicy and red. My favorite bedtime story is Goodnight Moon, with its cozy rhymes. My favorite flower is a sunflower, always reaching for the sun. My favorite time of day is sunset, painting the sky in warm hues.